Here is an interesting app which is called Want Express Your Feelings. So let's just try to install it and see why it's recently trending in charts. So basically, here is the app where you can express yourself openly and honestly. Our community is here for you. Find people like you to listen to. Use groups to discuss shared interests. Express how you really feel. One helps you connect to a supportive, positive, and understanding community, making it easy to share your true feelings with people around the world. On Want, you are never alone. Our whole community is just waiting to hear what you have to say. Sorry. Yep. So here you can see that. Express your true self with a broad range of emotions and colors. React to other people's wants. Our community understands what you are going through and will provide support 24/7. Make friends and chat privately in real time. Join groups. So yeah, it's like interesting idea. It was here for a while, and then you can just create your account here. So there is no way to create an account with Facebook or like Apple ID or Google. Just old school way using your username, password, and email. So yep, hope that's helpful how you can proceed with creating an account.